Take your time and wind my body down while the sun go down. Water pulling back and rising, I've been trying
We are in the famous Siesta Key, supposed to be the #1 beach in the US as rated by Dr. Beach and maybe a few other people, TripAdvisor, I'm not sure. It's got some nice beaches to compete against though, so we'll see what happens. It's too cool to get in the water. Yeah, part of our mission on this trip is to find you some warm enough water to get in.
Yeah, we're just going to keep going south until we find some warm enough water.
Well, I think Key West is about as far south as we're going to get on this trip. Well, it's really well maintained and it's long.
The water is not looking as blue as it is in Destin. Still, it looks kind of green. It's not as clear blue. So I might have to challenge Dr. Beach.
Right.
Has he been to Destin?
We're also called the Sunset Chasers. We're always racing to find the best sunsets. and this time it's hard time finding parking. So, look at that, it's still a ways up.
Looks like it's gonna be a pretty one.
Oh yeah, and a tiki bar right here on the water.
Or in here where it's not as windy.
Whatever you think you can tolerate. Do you want a drink first, or should we just get out there and watch it?
Drink.
Lots of little doggies out here.
Lots of puppies.
The waves are pretty decent out here. Go enjoy my expensive glass of wine. That's the most beautiful thing out here.
You're so sweet.